How to hide friends option on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide friends option on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon or the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the menu section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down to the audience and visibility, and there you can just tap on the option labeled as followers and public content. And now here in this section, just tap on the option labeled as who can see your followers on your profile. So simply tap on it, and now here from this option simply select only me, and after that you can just tap on save. And once you do that, it will hide the friends option on Facebook of your profile. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.